Can I talk plain with you? I think I can, because people like you and me, people who are passionate about passing on good information, people who are passionate about helping others to grow, to become safer at protecting themselves, their communities, their families, the country, I think we should be able to talk plainly. If you're trying to start an instruction business, or you've started one, and you're trying to make it grow, I understand how hard it is. We've been doing this for years. It's a hard business. It's not selling ice cream. It's not cleaning cars. It is hard businesses. It is a hard business to be in. But in that, we've made it work. We have built CarryTrainer into a brand where we are teaching coast to coast, filling classes everywhere we go. We've created a YouTube channel with several 100,000 subscribers. That channel gets 25 million minutes of watch time every month. We've got a thriving social media, Instagram, Facebook, etc. We've got a private work group for instructors with thousands of people in it that we interact with on a daily basis, helping to grow and mature as instructors. And what we've done is we have compiled all of the information that we have from running CarryTrainer into a course just for people like you and me. CarryTrainer University, and the inaugural program is Mastering the Instructor course. Maybe you've seen some information on the internet about it. I am very happy to launch this course, but it's limited. In order for us to give the attention to the instructors that are joining this program, we have to limit it. It closes October 27th. That's not a gimmick. In order for us to give the attention needed to each of the instructors, we are closing the signups October 27th. What are you going to get? Well, this is a simple list, but we are passing on every detailed bit of information. I'm going to teach you how to find your purpose, literally like a laser, get down to the purpose, because then we can craft the message of how you're going to sell your brand. We're going to teach you about value, about branding, about dominating social media, about creating awesome content, about setting yourself up for success, about all the legal considerations, business 101 stuff, designing awesome courses. How about what you need on the ground? Becoming a rock star trainer. I want you to continually work to become better at it in relationships. And I'm going to talk to you over and over again about why relationships matter so very much. Who's this course not for? Well, I'm glad that you asked. This course is not for you if you're just kind of into training. You're not passionate about best practices or using those practices to help others. This course isn't for you if you're unwilling to invest time, money, and energy in your own growth and education. See, nothing that's excellent ever comes free or cheap. This course is not for you if you are content with your current skill level and you don't care to get better and learn more. This course is not for you if you want quick and easy instead of hard and worth it. See, anything that pays off big usually takes some energy, usually takes some thought. I took everything that we did and we put it together, and all you got to do is go out and do the work. It's there for you. Who's it for? Well, glad you asked. It's for you. If you're a beginner looking to break into the instructing business, or maybe you're also a weekend warrior and you want to go full time, or maybe you're a seasoned instructor wanting to step it up to the next level. This is for you if you're passionate about helping others become safer and more skilled. This is for you if you're ready to grow your knowledge, if you're ready to enhance the skills that you have and deliver an outstanding client experience. This is for you. What have we done? Well, we've created the single and only comprehensive course on running, instructing businesses for firearms trainers and combatives instructors. You guys have probably seen the analogy of a stool, right? This stool has 4 legs. Each leg supports the stool. This is your business, right? So imagine if I take this leg and I take it off of solid ground. The stool falls over. Well, we've created a solid base for you. Number 1 is the video courses. Well thought out, well planned, well edited, well lit, great audio. When you purchase the course, you have access to them. You can watch them at your leisure whenever you want for as long as you want. Those courses are here with all that content. We have an interactive work group, completely private, just for those who are signed up for CarryTrainer University. We will be going together over everything that's in the video courses. So you watch them yourselves, then you and I go over it. And we're gonna have tons of discussions. We're maybe gonna have some phone calls. We're gonna have emails, and we are gonna set you up to kick ass and have success. A workbook. We have created a very comprehensive workbook. This workbook's got exercises that you're going to work along with the video courses. It's got stuff in here like how to create a waiver. It's got templates of waivers. It's got things in here on how to film and get good content, how to get audio like the microphone I'm pointing at right now, how to craft a message that is intelligible, is something people feel they have to have, and you're going to fill up classes because of it. It's all right here. And there's one more part, your skills. I'm going to work with you to help you build your personal skills. Your skills as a communicator, an instructor, a business person, an educator, and a shooter. We're going to do that together, and in that, you're going to build an awesome brand. This is not something that I take lightly. We work very hard on this. It is the next evolution of CarryTrainer. CarryTrainer University might be for you if you're looking for a course that's got everything that you need, that's easy to follow along, easy to access, and I also want to make it easy for you to sign up and pay. We've given you two options. One, you can choose monthly payments over the course of a year for just $180 a month, or you can save yourself a whopping $360 and choose to pay for the course in full. Just click the link, sign up, and we're going to see you in the private group. Look for an email from me soon on next steps, and you'll get instant access to all of this information at your fingertips. This is Mickey with CarryTrainer.com. I'm looking forward to it.